Welcome to Eduquestzone. Let's begin the MCQs quiz. Question number 91. In a transaction, which property ensures that once a transaction is committed, its changes are permanent? Option C. Durability. Durability guarantees that committed changes remain permanent even after a crash. Question number 92. Which isolation level allows non-repeatable reads but not dirty reads? Option B. Read committed. Read committed prevents dirty reads but allows non-repeatable reads. Question number 93. A table is in third normal form if and only if. Option B. It has no transitive dependencies. Third normal form removes transitive dependencies among non-key attributes. Question number 94. In SQL, which operation combines rows from two or more tables based on a related column? Option B. Join. Join combines data from two or more tables using a common column. Question number 95. In query optimization, what is the purpose of using an index? Option C. To speed up data retrieval. Indexes help speed up data retrieval by reducing scan time. Question number 96. Which SQL command is used to remove all records from a table without deleting the table structure? Option C. Truncate. Truncate deletes all rows but keeps the table definition intact. Question number 97. In computer networks, which layer of the OSI model is responsible for encryption and decryption? Option B. Presentation layer. The presentation layer performs encryption and decryption of data. Question number 98. Which of the following protocols provides secure data transmission over the Internet? Option C. HTTPS. HTTPS ensures secure communication using SSL or TLS encryption. Question number 99. Which type of attack involves redirecting a user to a fake website to steal login credentials? Option B. Phishing. Phishing redirects users to fake pages to steal their credentials. Question number 100. Which protocol is used for sending emails securely using encryption? Option B. SMTPS. SMTPS sends emails securely through encryption using SSL or TLS. Question number 101. Which of the following algorithms is used in artificial intelligence for shortest path finding? Option A. A star. A star algorithm is widely used for shortest path finding in AI. Question number 102. In artificial intelligence, a heuristic function is used to. Option B. Estimate distance to goal. A heuristic function estimates the cost to reach the goal state. Question number 103. Which learning paradigm uses labeled data for model training? Option A. Supervised learning. Supervised learning involves training models using labeled data. Question number 104. Which of the following algorithms is an example of supervised learning? Option B. Linear regression. Linear regression is a common supervised learning technique. Question number 105. In reinforcement learning, the agent learns by. Option C. Trial and error with feedback. Reinforcement learning uses rewards and punishments for learning optimal actions. Question number 106. What does overfitting mean in machine learning? Option C. Model learns noise instead of general patterns. Overfitting means the model performs well on training data but poorly on new data. Question number 107. Which metric is suitable for evaluating classification models? Option C. Accuracy. Accuracy is commonly used to evaluate classification model performance. Question number 108. What is the main goal of dimensionality reduction in data science? Option B. Reduce computational cost. Dimensionality reduction reduces features while preserving important information. Question number 109. Which of the following techniques is used for dimensionality reduction? Option B. Principal component analysis. PCA reduces feature dimensions while keeping essential data variance. Question number 110. Which algorithm is used for clustering in unsupervised learning? Option B. K-means. K-means algorithm clusters similar data points into groups. Question number 111. Which activation function is commonly used in deep neural networks? Option C. ReLU. ReLU is the most common activation function used in deep learning models. Question number 112. What does the confusion matrix represent in machine learning? Option B. Prediction errors. The confusion matrix summarizes classification performance by comparing actual and predicted labels. Question number 113. Which type of machine learning algorithm uses rewards and punishments? Option C. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning learns using rewards and penalties. Question number 114. Which method is used to prevent overfitting in neural networks? Option B. Dropout. Dropout helps avoid overfitting by randomly disabling neurons during training. Question number 115. What does the ROC curve represent? Option B. Classification threshold performance. ROC curve shows model performance by comparing true and false positive rates. Question number 116. Which type of data visualization is best suited for showing feature correlation? Option C. Heat map. Heat maps visually show correlation strengths among dataset features. Question number 117. Which loss function is typically used for regression problems? Option B. Mean squared error. Mean squared error measures average squared differences between predictions and actual values. Question number 118. In a decision tree, what does entropy measure? Option C. Impurity in data. Entropy quantifies uncertainty or impurity in data classification. Question number 119. In natural language processing, TF-IDF stands for. Option B. Term frequency inverse document frequency. TF-IDF means term frequency inverse document frequency, used to weight words by importance. Question number 120. Which algorithm is used for dimensionality reduction and data visualization in 2 or 3 dimensional space? Option C. TSNE. TSNE is used to visualize high-dimensional data in 2D or 3D form. Thank you for watching. Visit eduquestzone.com for more quizzes.